Hi, I'm Joe from Diecast Recycling. We're formerly M. Dunn Recycling. We're located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number's 215-624-2420. Our prices may change. Sometimes they'll change week by week. Sometimes it's day by day, sometimes hour by hour. So give us a call for the most accurate price. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. We require ID with every purchase we make. So you can bring in your driver's license, your non-driver's license, your military ID, a passport. All those IDs will work for us. So come on in with your ID when you bring your metal. Thank you. Come on in for your free calendar. We have calendars to give away. We're giving it away to everybody, not just our customers. So some of them, they look pretty good. So come on in and get a free 2022 calendar. This is our blog for November 30th, 2021. Scrap Metal, Philadelphia. Today we have 5 interesting items to show you, and they'll all add up to be a little bit of cash for your scrap. So today we have our first up, we'll have a stainless steel milk jug. It weighs 16 pounds. It's worth $0.50 a pound, so that would be $8 for that. Our next item, some die cast. We have these Diecast Lamp and a Diecast statue. It's a shame it's broke. It was a rather nice looking statue. But these lamps everybody has in their homes, and most of these die-cast things they do. If you scratch it, it looks like brass. But when you scratch it, it will turn white and it'll be a die-cast color. The same thing a Hot Wheel car is made out of. So we have 25 pounds there, and the die-cast is 40 cents a pound, so that would be $10 on that. Our next item, we have a piece of flat copper. This flat copper is usually used on roofing. This is a new piece of copper, so this would be considered number 1. This would be $3.40. It's 17 pounds. It comes out to be $57.80. Our next item we have here, it's aluminum. It's, I guess it's some sort of mini scaffold or something you would use to stand on to do some work around your house, like wallpapering or something. It's broke, it doesn't stand up. So somebody got rid of this from their home. It weighs 12 pounds. It's worth $5.40. Our last item we have today is a brass fireplace cleaning set. It's not 100% brass. So if you take a magnet, you'll see a magnet will stick to the side, and it has a brass tube over a piece of all thread that screws it together. So some of it is steel, some of it's brass. We have to cut it and take it apart. And when we do that, the value is not quite as good as the brass price. So it's 40 cents a pound. That's 15 pounds. That would be worth $6. Okay, we had our 5 items for today. Our 5 items come out to be 85 pounds, which comes out to be $87.20. They're a little bit cheaper items, but this is what most people do have laying around their home or somewhere in their garage. So come on in and see us with your items, and we'll pay you some money. Well, that's it for our blog this week. We showed a few items and showed how much they're worth, just to give you an idea on how much you can make when you're scrapping some metal. So you have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Our address is 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. Hope to see you real soon. Thank you. You can reach us at www.mdunnrecycling.com.